In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find backlinks in Semrush. Let's dive right in and explore how this powerful tool can help you enhance your digital marketing strategy. First, let's open up your browser and search for Semrush. Once you find the Semrush website, you'll either need to log in or sign up if you don't already have an account. Having access to SEMrush is essential as it provides extensive insights into the SEO landscape, and today we're focusing on finding and analyzing backlinks. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the SEO section and select Backlink Analytics. This is where the magic happens. The Backlink Analytics section is a goldmine of information that enables you to get a comprehensive understanding of any website's backlink profile, be it your own or a competitor's. So, if you have a domain in mind, type it into the search bar and click Analyze. After you've clicked Analyze, Semrush will generate an overview of the domain's backlink profile. You'll see a wealth of information unfold before you, including key metrics such as the number of referring domains, total backlinks, and the authority score. This snapshot gives you immediate insight into the domain's online presence and influence. It's a fascinating starting point for your analysis, offering a quick yet detailed look at the external links pointing to that particular domain. Now, for a closer look, click on the Backlinks tab. Here, you'll find a detailed list of all the backlinks associated with the domain. This list allows you to see not just the quantity, but the quality and variety of links, which are crucial in understanding how a website garners its authority and visibility online. One of the best features of Semrush is its filtering options. You can use these to refine your results based on various criteria such as link type, the referring domain, anchor type, and status. The ability to filter helps you sift through massive amounts of data to find precisely what you need. Perhaps you're only interested in do-follow links, or those from a specific geographic location. These filters make it effortless to narrow down to the specifics relevant to your strategy. Finally, Semrush also offers the Backlink Gap tool, which is invaluable for discovering link-building opportunities that you might be missing. This tool helps identify backlinks your competitors have that you do not, spotlighting areas where you might gain an edge. Plus, you can export all this rich data into various formats such as CSV or Excel. This flexibility is perfect for further analysis or to integrate with other tools you might be using. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough process to find and analyze backlinks using Semrush. Use these steps to enhance your SEO strategy and watch your online authority grow. Thank you for joining me today.